everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So let's go ahead and create a glam makeup look. And today I'm gonna start off applying a serum all over my face. I really love this one. I use it a lot and I bought again and I forgot that I had. And next I'm gonna use Honey Whip from Wishful. This is a very good moisturizer, so I'm gonna apply a little bit all over my face as well and massage in my face, neck, and chest to moisturize everything. And you can see my skin having a lot of redness, but don't worry, this is totally normal. Also, I'm gonna apply a lip balm from Huda Beauty, and this is Rose Quartz to moisturize while I do my makeup. And now I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm gonna take Benefit precisely my eyebrow, and this is the shade number 5. So I'm gonna brush my brow up and I'm gonna just fill in the brows, and I'm gonna do it natural as possible. So I'm gonna apply from the center to the outer part of the brow. And then to finish off, I'm gonna apply a brow gel to hold all the hairs into place. Next, I'm gonna apply my blurring primer from Glowish, and I'm gonna use just a small amount of product in the center of my face to kind of hide the pores and make my face ready to apply the foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna use Flawless Lumiere from Laura Mercier. I really love this one. This is a light to medium coverage foundation and very moisturizing, the way that I love. So I'm gonna apply is in a kabuki brush, and you can see how glowy and natural and healthy finish it gives me. Looks like my face is a porcelain. So I'm gonna apply the foundation in my face, neck, and chest to balance the look. Next, for concealer, I'm gonna use Still and I'm gonna use a lighter shade than my foundation. I'm gonna use just a small amount, and this is a moisturizing concealer as well. So I'm gonna apply a few dots where I want to kind of bring a little more light to my face and at the same time hide the imperfections, especially under the eye. By the way, the contact lenses that I'm using are from Desio Eyes, and this is the shade Wild Green. They are very comfortable and natural and look stunning. Amazing to naturally emphasize the eyes. Now I'm gonna use a cream contour from Rare Beauty, and this is the shade Happy Soul. I'm gonna apply using a brush like this, and I'm gonna place it exactly where I want to sculpt and create shadow in my face. Next, to set everything, I'm gonna use a translucent powder from Laura Mercier. This is my favorite from many years, and I'm gonna apply just a small amount all over my face because I really wanna take off the excess shine and keep the glowy effect for my skin. And also to set the cream contour, I'm gonna use a powder contour from Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna use the shade Light. I'm gonna apply all over the contour that I applied before, just to set the cream contour and to make sure that everything is perfectly diffused. Now I'm gonna apply cream blush, and I'm gonna use Punch Pink from Melt Cosmetics. I'm gonna take it using the tip of my fingers, and I'm gonna apply a little bit. I'm gonna use the tip of my fingers to blend because I really wanna keep the color exactly where I want it to be. So I just place it and diffuse using the tip of my fingers because it's a lot easier as well. So right on top, I'm gonna use a highlighter, and this is from Laura Mercier. This is a very natural finish, so I'm gonna apply right on top of the cream blush just to stick the product, as it gives me a very natural finish. It kind of melts into the cream blush. And next, to set the cream blush and also to give me a little more color, I'm gonna apply a powder blush from Sigma Beauty. And to apply the blush, I'm gonna use the same brush that I was using before to apply powder and contour. This is a very good brush that I use for many years now, and this is Spotlight Duster. I really love this brush from Sigma. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use Warm Neutrals palette from Sigma as well, and I'm gonna take the lightest shade and I'm gonna apply in the brow bone just to highlight a little bit. And now I'm gonna take this light brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply in the outer corners of the eye and blend in circular motions to my crease. Next, using an angle brush, I'm gonna take this dark wine shade and I'm gonna create a cat eye effect for my eyes, just in the outer corners. And yes, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow to create the shape. So I'm gonna create this cat eye shape for the outer corners of the eyes and also in the inner corners. And next, I'm gonna apply a shimmery eyeshadow just in the inner third of the eye. So I'm gonna apply using the tip of my fingers because today I'm gonna keep everything simple. Now to finish off the look, I just apply fake lashes, mascara, and now I'm gonna do my lips. So I'm gonna start off applying a hot pink lip contour, and next I'm gonna use a hot pink lipstick. And I was wondering if I should apply a lip gloss on top or not, and the one that I chose is Amazing from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I decided to not apply. So I'm gonna use a hot pink lip contour from Melt Cosmetics, and also from Melt Cosmetics the hot pink liquid lipstick. And I really like this pink lipstick because it has some blue reflex on it and it looks stunning. A very nice metallic finish. And this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you love it much as I do. For me, it's a little bit different, this kind of lip shade, but I really love it. So don't forget to comment down below what you think about this look, and also subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye!